Oh my gosh, that looks so good. That is my best mod ever. I love this. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Amelia's taking a nap and Popeye's battening down the hatches. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. I told you guys I had a really cool mod coming for the Red Cat Racing Scout 2. I love this crawler, and I think I love my new mod, maybe even more. Look at that, it's even got a little red light out the back. How cool is that? And see the smoke? This is just a nice, safe oil. They use these in those model trains. They go around the trees, you know, the nicer model trains. That's the oil that is in there. Guys, I just wanted to drive this around and show you how awesome this is when it's running. It's even proportionally throttle controlled. Watch this, when I give it more juice, we're gonna have more smoke. Probably hard to tell on the move, but there is more smoke coming out. This is the easiest little mod I have ever done. This is totally an electric little crawler. I think it looks amazing. Look at that. It just looks so good. I love this.
You can tell when the wind picks up because it's harder to see on the camera.
Yes, it is very windy right now, actually. I wanted to show you guys this because I'm going to give you an opportunity here to go ahead and buy one for yourself. We'll have it linked in the description box below. It's absolutely amazing. And I'm going to wait about 3 or 4 days. Here in a few days, what I'm going to do is have another video on the channel of installing this on another truck and show you guys how absolutely easy it is. I think you'll be amazed at the price too.
If we can do it, anybody can do it.
That's exactly right. Abby nailed it on the head. And you can put this, it doesn't have to go on a scale truck. You can put these on bashers too, which we're gonna probably try in the future. Guys, this is so awesome. I'm gonna shut up and just get a few cool shots of the truck driving with that smoke. I'm a good husband. I share my favorite truck with my favorite mod ever on it. Let's see. Does Nate get the better shots or does Abby get the better shots? It's all a competition here. Whoa, hey. Isn't that the coolest thing ever? I love it. I love it. Yeah, that is awesome. Even more awesome, the smiles. Listen, if you're not having fun in the RC hobby, you're doing it wrong. And little mod like this can just make the difference. Look at that, even the little light. I catch a glimpse of the light occasionally, and it just looks so cool. Uh-oh, uh-oh. There you go, nice, nice. Okay, yeah. We still have pretty good clearance too. I could have put that in a little variety of places. I like where I put it. Isn't that the coolest, Abby?
Yeah, it's super cool.
What an awesome truck and mod. Oh man. How cool is that? I think that's amazing. I kid you not when I say this is like a plug and play system. If we can install it with really no major modifications at all, I know you guys can too. We're going to do an installation video of this in a few days. This is very unlike us. We're doing some different stuff on our channel lately, but it's stuff that I'm enjoying. This is very cool to me. When I installed it and I showed Abby, she kind of freaked out, and we're making a few purchases because of this. If that tells you anything. It's very exciting. It's very, very cool. I love it. You guys are missing out on the good shots right now because I'm driving this. It is very fun and very awesome. I love the extra scaleness that it adds to this. Look, let's just get some more shots of it. This looks so cool. Abby was saying, oh Nate, it's kind of windy. It doesn't look as good. Well, I showed it to Abby in the house with no wind at all, and there was just like a ton of smoke pouring out, you know, because there's no wind. But I think when you have the wind, it does kind of help scale it down a little bit. I don't think you want it to look like it's on fire. You know, you just want to look like, oh, that is cool. You have exhaust coming out of there. Super easy installation. But what I was saying is I am going to do an installation video with you guys. So go ahead and order one for yourself if you like what you see. And in a few days, I'm going to walk you guys through this, how to install it. Even though the instructions were pretty easy, I just want to let you know that you're in really good hands. And I'm not just going to tell you to buy something like this and leave you hanging. So we're going to help you get it installed here in a few days on a very special RC yet to be announced that you guys will see soon. And we have more mods coming to the Red Cat Racing Scout 2. So this is, I think, my favorite crawler right now. Probably my favorite truck to date. I just love driving this. And now with that smoke on there, I'm so happy because as an electric RC guy, I've never been able to enjoy the aspect of the smoke like you have on glow and sometimes gas. You don't get as much on gas. But I'm going to do some fun stuff with these little smoke mods here. But easy to install, fun to watch, makes it more of an eye catcher for sure. And it's pretty easy to take off there too if you want to run a little bit harder through the thick stuff and not have to worry about your smoke mod getting messed up. You can actually take that off of there too. A couple easy ways you can install it and uninstall it. We're going to show you that in a future video, but take my word, one of the easiest things to install ever. Go ahead and pick one up. We'll have them linked in the description box below. I guarantee they are going to sell out eventually.
That car will be linked down there too.
Yes, which we love. We love this truck. I mean, I'm a huge fan of it. Guys, what'd you think? Let us know in the comments below. More mods? I hope you liked it because there are more mods coming to the channel. This is like my favorite thing I've ever added to an RC vehicle ever. Thanks so much, except for our stickers, which are linked in the description box below. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.